Fear due to COVID surge has gripped students ahead of board examinations. Parents are now demanded online board examination, but the government is unlikely to postpone the board examinations as of now. Here's more.
"16-year-old Aryan is preparing for the biggest test of his life. A student of GD Goenka School in Delhi, he is preparing for the CBSE board exam, scheduled to be held offline under the shadow of the big COVID surge.
I'm surely conflicted about giving the exams offline after this new strain has come out, and it is like a matter of conflict, because obviously it is a very risky environment around people you don't know and you know, and as we know that social distancing is hard to maintain between the students. So in that environment, it is very risky to give the exams offline. So I think that CBSE should consider the online situation of the exam.
For parents, it is a repeat of 2020. The second wave is a big concern.
Totally anxious, totally stressed. I actually cannot even explain that what I'm going through these days. Situation has become so difficult, seeing this COVID cases on rise, and what is going to happen if my child, although I'm sending him for the pre-boards to the school, they're having their offline exams. But my only concern is, what if something happens? What if something happens during the examination time?
Definitely, it is high time the government has to take a decision somehow. And of course, I think they should really focus on the online system. That is going to be the most secured way. Otherwise, that is really going to be very stressful for not only the parents, but what we are more concerned about is basically our children,
Education activists say 12th standard board exams are important for college admissions, but class 10 board exams can be postponed.
केंद्र सरकार 10th के एग्ज़ाम्स को डेफिनेटली कैंसिल करे, क्योंकि 10th में ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता कि आगे उनको बहुत ज़्यादा कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स में जाना होता है, तो इंटरनल असेसमेंट के थ्रू वो बच्चों को वो पास कर दे.
Experts feel that the HRD ministry had an entire year, but it still couldn't come up with an alternative to physical exams. In 2020, the matter reached the Supreme Court post the lockdown. Instead of 29 subjects, the assessment was done based on the average score of previously conducted exams in the preliminaries. According to sources in the Education Ministry and CBSE, there is no policy decision yet to postpone the exams that are scheduled to begin from May 4th. Guidelines for the same will be released soon.
For now, parents request that an online examination seems to be a viable option, but the question is that will the infrastructure be strong enough to conduct examinations throughout the country for CBSE students? With Ashwini Helen, this is Milan Sharma for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.